Good morning, 9th class children. In previous class, I explained it, of course, long back, 2-3 weeks ago. I explained about these algebraic formulae and their expansions. Two classes I have taken. Today, continuation of this chapter. See, expansions. Once again, I remind you of a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square, and a minus b, a square minus 2ab minus plus b square, and the third sum of these two, a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. Sum of these two are 2 of a square plus b square. Because in the addition, plus 2ab minus 2ab cancel, 1a square, 1a square, 2a square, 1b square, 1b square, 2b square. Taking 2 common, 2 of a square plus b square. Then fourth subtraction, a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equal to 4ab. This is subtraction. In subtraction, change the signs. A square cancel, b square cancel, this minus becomes plus, plus 2ab plus 2ab, 4ab, right. See, fifth, product of sum of two numbers and their difference, a square minus b square. And sixth, a plus b plus c whole square, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab, like square system, 2ab plus 2bc plus 3a, a square, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2c, and a plus b whole cube. Here power is 3, we get 4 terms, a cube plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b, and minus a cube, a minus b whole cube. Short form, or we can write a cube plus b cube plus 3ab of a plus b also we can write short form, and a minus b whole cube. A cube minus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared minus b cube. Short form, or a cube minus b cube minus 3ab of a minus b, and ninth, a cube plus b, a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. And the 10th, why we are saying this formula, if we multiply a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, if we multiply these two, we get 6 terms. Among the 6 terms, 4 terms are cancelled. One term is plus, other term is minus. So 4 terms are removed, cancelled, and only these two are left. We say that is the formula. Actually, this is the product of these two terms is this. We say this is a formula. It is true. Now, if we give any this one, 2, 3, we can write other. Similarly, a cube minus b. These are actually actual multiplications. If we multiply a plus b into a minus b, we get 4 terms. Among the 4 terms, 2 terms are cancelled. These 2 terms are left. We say this only a form. Need not, it is not brought by, not sent by any government or any person. Actually, this is true. When we multiply these two, we get these two only. In the product, we get 4 terms. Among the 4 terms, 2 terms are cancelled and remaining terms are left. These two are left. We say this is the formula. When we multiply a plus b into a plus b, we get this is the product. A square plus 2ab plus b square. We get 4 terms. Among the 4 terms, 2 terms are the same. So 2 terms are same. And we say this is a formula. So nothing to worry. Simply expansion. And a minus b whole square. So a minus b, a cube minus b cube. A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. See, if we multiply these two, we get 6 terms. Among the 6 terms, they are having same terms, but with different sign. One is plus, the other is minus. Cancel, and only these two are left. We say this is the formula. Nothing to worry. So we say this is the formula. And 11th, if a plus b plus c is 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. These are all important formula in practice. 12. A plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. When we multiply, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 terms. Keep side. When we multiply with b, again we get 6 times. 6 terms. When we multiply by c, we get 6 terms. Totally 6, 6, 6. 6 3s are 18. 18 terms are there. Among the 18 terms, some are having same terms with different sign. With different sign means plus minus. So they are cancelled and these terms only left. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. These are the terms left. So we say this is a formula. When we multiply these two, we get 18 terms. Among the 18 terms, some are having same terms with different sign. Different sign means one term is plus, the other term is minus. So they are cancelled, and only these are left. That's why we say this is a formula. Now 30. 13th formula is again x plus a into x plus b. So x squared sum of x squared plus a plus b of x plus a. This is here adds the constants. These are variables, x variable. 14th. X plus a into x plus b into x plus c. Suppose there are three constants, so we get x cube plus a plus b plus c of x squared plus ab plus bc plus ca of x plus abc. Last product of a into b into abc. And 15th also again, right? Ax plus b into cx plus b. So x variable is adding some coefficient. So you see this is a into c. ac x squared plus ad plus bc of x plus last product of this b. So these are the formulae. You please practice. Next, from tomorrow onwards I continue. Without learning formulae, you will not. Suppose I will do 2a plus 3b whole cube expand. So without knowing formula, you cannot expand it. First apply the formula, write the formula and substitute. Then you will easily solve the problem. First of all, you have to learn the formula. If you follow with this formula, then you will easily solve the problem. Don't confuse. Write each formula 10 times. Then only you will easily remember. So today, to practice this formula, and from tomorrow onwards, I will continue. Thank you.